Welcome, friend. Within the next minute, we're going to learn how to do a side plank hip drop. This awesome exercise is going to target your obliques, so think core muscles. Here we go. Let's begin on the floor in a side plank position. Make sure your elbow is lined up right under your shoulder. You can keep your top arm in front of your body with your hand on the floor until you come up and find your balance. When you find that perfect side plank, I've got a video for just that exercise too. You're going to take your arm up, and then what we're doing is, while keeping our hips stacked vertically, you're just going to lower your hips down towards the mat and then squeeze to come right back up to that T shape. This is a challenging exercise. Remember, if this one doesn't quite work for you, go back to that regular side plank and work on that until you get it nailed down and come back to this. Great job.